Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about e to the power of ln of a equals to capital A. So capital A, that's about this one. So we need to transform this one into this one. Now we can put the limit go in here. Now I will concentrate about this one only. Now we have the second formula in here. Ln of a to the power of b equals to b ln a. So a, that's about this one. B, that's about 5s. So if we apply the formula in here, you will have 5s multiplied by ln of 1 plus 2 over s. And now about s, we can put like this. That's about ln over 1 over s. And now when s approaches to positive infinity, this one go to positive infinity. 1 divided by positive infinity, you got about 0. This one you got about 0. Ln of number 1, you got about 0 in here. So we have 0 over 0. Now we can use about L hospital. So we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So for this one, you will have about number 5 multiplied by 1 plus 2 over s. Later that we do first derivative of 1 plus 2 over s in here, and you got about negative number 2 over s squared. This one you got about negative 1 over s squared. Now we need to simplify negative 1 over s squared on numerator and denominator. And now we just have this one left. Number 5 with number 2, you got about 10. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one you got about 0. So we will have about 10 over 1 plus 0. And you got about number 10. So the limit of this one, you got about number 10. So that means for this one, you got about e to the power of 10. And this one is equal to this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.